Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must be signed into an administrator account and save work before changing system processes. First, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Locate Windows Explorer, right-click and choose End Task to stop the shell. Once done, click File, Run New Task, type Explorer. EXE and press Enter to restart the desktop and File Explorer. This quick restart fixes many UI hangs because it reloads the shell and user interface without rebooting the whole machine. If restarting Explorer didn't help, you need to repair corrupted system files that break File Explorer. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano. This scans and attempts repairs. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch good files from Windows Update. Once those finish, open PowerShell as admin and re-register shell components or run registry fixes that restore default handlers. These steps fix missing content. Now finalize. Create a new local administrator account and sign in to see if Explorer works. Profile corruption often causes failures, and moving data to a new profile is quick if it works. If the issue is deeper, run a system restore to a known good point or perform an in-place repair upgrade to refresh Windows without losing files. If things still go wrong, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party software. Use that as your key troubleshooting tip to isolate conflicting apps or shell extensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.